Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ama-injuries bafethu ku-Kaizer Chiefs awapheli. King of the problem, kunye-player eli-injured la uNaledi Hlongwane bengekho available laphana ku-DDC team yaku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngazibuza ukuthi ukuphi umfana, mangithi ngiyabheka mana u-injured naye selimele umfana, but isithemba ukuthi injury yakhe bafethu ayikho that difficult, ngeke ibe that deep because kunama-scenarios la different. I-Kaizer Chiefs izodlala ku-continental level, iyale ko-Congo. If amanye ama-player awekho available kumele naye azi-unveil abe khona. And then ama-DDC team ye-England bafethu iyodlala e-England nabo-Manchester United nabo-Leeds, so i-opportunity enkulu ngempela ukuthi azi-advertise emhlabeni because of lama-international tournament abukelwa ama-scout amaningi kakhulu. Potentially-ke bangabukelwa noma angathola i-chance ukuthi abukelwe abantu all over the world, from e-Europe, from e-South America, anywhere around the world, because lama-players abawodlala against one represent ama-top agents. So this is just sad for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi they are dealing with another injury. So as striking back isibone ukuthi this season i-Kaizer Chiefs already seyidile nama-injuries awungaki bafethu, awu-10 ama-injuries abadile nawo ku-Kaizer Chiefs, imagine. So abakaze baba this season baba ne-squad, i-depth yonke i-squad sibe available, sibe powerful ukuthi wonke umuntu okhona ku-Kaizer Chiefs uzokwazi ukuthi abe present a-contribute. At the moment they are dealing with ne-injury futhi kaSiphesihle Ndlovu laphana i-midfield abaqeda ukumsayina, but-ke nawe udila ne-injury. Hopefully uzobuya maduzane. Thabiso Munyane naye udile ne-injury after ukudlala kahle kakhulu kwakhe 5 games without i-Kaizer Chiefs i-concede, but as soon as he was out of the team, Kaizer Chiefs they were exposed from i-position kaThabiso Munyane because uye benza leya position yaku-right back ibe powerful. Paseka Mako uthola i-man of the match, wadlala on the continental level, mebuya walimala naye selimela, akekho available. Umuntu bekeza kahle bese kangena kahle, bam-integrate kahle i-team yaku-Kaizer Chiefs, seqala impela uku-contribute ama-man of the match performances. Guess what? Walimala naye, injured. Igadaro wathi aqeda ukufikela bafethu injured after 2 days of training waba injured, but sesimbonile uyaqala ukujima ne-team, benza i-photoshoot laphana naye umfana. Hopefully-ke is 100%, will be 100% ready ukuthi adlale by the time i-Kaizer Chiefs i-resume nge-weekend. But-ke ama-coaches ashilo ukuthi after international break bazobe bane-squad esingcono ne-depth engcono, usho ukuthi abaningi bayabuya laphana kuma-injuries wabo bafethu. uMcCarthy naye bedlala kahle kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs, first 2 games 3 games waba ku-injury, ku-third game injury was out. Kula i-Kaizer Chiefs yaqala khona ukuxega laphana emuva after i-game number 5 I think. So I mean yonke lento le disturba i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ibuild i-core team overall. Abantu mabazoba injured over isikhathi esingaka njalo kuyaziwa ukuthi u-Kaizer Chiefs khona umuntu ongeke abe khona. uDotley-ke siyamazi bafethu waba injured last year, not even this year, last year wathole i-injury emkhiphe out for a very long time. Siyambona i-Naturena bejima yedwa isikhathi eside, but-ke asazi ukuthi manje ukuphi ku-recovery phase yakhe, but mabejima amajita naye ukhona. Isikhathi esiningi bengimbona ne-conditioning coach laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs egijimela eceleni angajimi namajita, but hopefully uzokwazi ukuthi abe available soon laphana for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Msimango ube nama-injuries awu-2 alandelanayo this season. Urecoverile wajoyina i-team waphinde walimala futhi meqeda ukujoyina i-team laphana e-gym, because ngambona ejima laphana, but yaqalela phansi injured yakhe walimala yet again. Kanti laphana emuva cabanga ama-defenders awu-2 a-trusted laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bo-2 ba-injured ngesikhathi esi-1 abekho available, Msimango noDotley. Imagine i-depth beyizoba khona, bebazoba nama-options a-different laphana overall, but guess what, bakwazanga ukuba nalawo ma-option lawo. Then ngizongena ku-Cheslete noShinga, bake not really ama-injury-ke bona, but bake bangabi available for i-Kaizer Chiefs for some time because bake badila ne-flu ngathi bobawu-2. uCheslete yena into bedila ngayo umzimba wakhe ngathi bomfeyila because of bongakajwayeli i-climate change and so forth, that i-South Africa, because of ukhulelele eNgilandi. Yes, is South African but ukhulele eNgilandi, impilo yakhe yonke spend eNgilandi. So mebuya la hlala isikhathi eside laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs asaqeda ukufikela waba affected, so naye azange aba available for i-selection, but-ke for some time bese available for i-selection laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. noShinga same thing khona la, just before badlala neMamelodi Sundowns bengekho available, and then he was available that time uMako, he was always available but azange bebangamselect for i-match day squad. By the time he's available for waba available or la abampika khona kula ku-match day squad, kula uMako elimala khona but wahlala ebhentshini maba replace uCross bafaka uMcCarthy, which is sad, but-ke it's a game of football. Then kunabadlali abawu-2 vele bayi noBatman basayina ku-Kaizer Chiefs, abekho injured, abana-nicks, but-ke bebengekho available for Kaizer Chiefs because they were going up and down, balinde ama-agent wabo ukuthi asolve i-case labo ne-SAFA ne-PSL ne-DC, but-ke manje ba-ready. So labadlali bobawu-2 vele bayo Batman ba-ready ukuthi badlale this upcoming weekend, but kuzoya nge-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ba-introduce-a nini. UBatman bengekho laphana ku-World Cup laphana e-Chile, lana amajita ashawe khona i-Colombia, abanokhe out laphana ku-round of 16. But kunzima kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi njalo bangabi ne-squad sabo sonke, ukuthi bazi ukuthi okay, they can choose from, let's say, 30 something players, but they operate nge-squad esi-capped, like let's say 40 players. Bana 39 players mangawabala wonke ama-player e-Kaizer Chiefs abanawo ayi-39, but amaningi awekho available, ayi-12 ama-senior players zange aba-available. And then lawa ayi-3, and then uHlongwane noLokhunjana noThulane noNkwesa babathatha abafana babawu-2 DDC team, isikhathi esiningi badlala laphana ku-DDC team. But-ke nabo bazodingeka whenever maybe team ileka something, maybe they will be called ku-senior team. So bona ukuthi bazoplana kanjani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke let's wait for i-weekend sibone ukuthi ku-travel obani kanjani. Let's hope uNaledi Hlongwane bafethu uzo-recover-a in record time ngale injured yakhe lena adila nayo bafethu. This is sad ngempela ukuthi i-team ye-England iyodlala nobo-Manchester, opportunity engaba nkulu kakhulu for yena, but umfana ngekho available. Like, that's not cool at all. But yeah, sobona the coolest thing ukuthi i-depth beyabuya, abantu aba-expected ukuthi babuye or abazoba available, uShinga o-available, Cheslett o-available, uMakhatho o-available, Igataro available, uThabiso Munyane available, uvele bayo available, uBatman available. So maybe laba abanye sesizozwa nge-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bazoba ready kanjani ukudlala, noma-ke sobabona ukuthi ba-ready na ukuthi badlale. But yeah, njengoba bengisilo, it's sad bafethu ukudila nama-injuries amangaka. Phela isizini iqeda ukuqala manje, but already sebadile nama-injuries awu-10, and abanye abadlali kawu-2. uMarco sedile eyedwa nje, uMarco sedile nama-injuries awu-2. uMsimanga this season sedile nama-injuries awu-2. Yeah man, it's sad, but the coolest thing ukuthi they're able to recover. But sometimes umuntu mebuya ku-injury ubuya ngasafani. Example, uMakhatho udlale kahle kakhulu first 3 games, third game kula athola injured khona, bekadlala nge-confidence, everything, zonke izinto nje zimhambela kahle, waba injured. Recover same time bambuyisa ethimini, guess what, kulama game awu-2 alandelana zange aperforma kahle, and they were forced ukuthi bamreplace. Asazi ukuthi it's because of injury yakhe ukuthi maybe akakahili kahle or kwenzakalani, but-ke i-confidence yakhe i-down kancane umfana. But-ke sobona ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izoplana kanjani. Yiwo wonke ama-player-ke edile ney'nkinga this season, but hopefully zonke izinto zizoba right. Danko bafethu, ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.